Hey everyone, so I got the Haswing kill switch working. So there was a little glitch with it. If you block one leg of the pot, the center one, the yellow, it works in forward. But if you put it in reverse, it revs up before it kills it. So what I did is I used two reed switches, and one disconnects the center pin and one disconnects the outer pin, I believe. And so if you disconnect both of them, then it works in forward and reverse as you'd expect. So I'll give you a little demo. So there's the kill switch I came up with. This is just a magnet from a treadmill, and I glued on a washer with a slice of PVC there to hold it in. So it clips in nice. So there's forward, you can hear it running. Pull, kills it. Back. Put it back to neutral. Let's go in reverse. Okay, so there's reverse. Kills. There we go. Put it back on. Now the motor will reset and turn back on where you left it. So there it goes. Put it back into neutral. Shut off. There's forward. Kill. So there we go, it works. So when the magnet's off, no forward, no reverse, nothing. Put it back on.